everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on cybersecurity domain. The concept of the project is basically what will happen is nothing but in YouTube, especially when we see a particular video, of that video we will have so many comments, and those comments we will have some comments with a lot of hate. So how we are going to analyze those comments dynamically by using the YouTube video, as well as how we are going to analyze whether that sentiment is having any offensive content or not, that we are going to detect here in this project. And we have given a small short title for this project: Are you aware? Roman Urdu. So in this project, YouTube videos comments, we are going to analyze Urdu comments and Roman Urdu comments. Both the things are there, Urdu and Roman Urdu. Offensive comment detection, we can say. So this is the landing page of the project. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end development, we have used HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. And for database, we are using MySQL here. We can also integrate in AWS. Now, this project is having two different types of users. One is the administrator and second is the user. Let's see step by step the project flow. First of all, I'll go to user, and this is the user login page. I'll try to sign up a new user here. Let's provide the details. Some phone number, I'll provide my phone number here, city, and the password. Let us provide some password, profile picture. Let's select the profile picture, create account, successfully registered, registration is completed. Now let's go to login and try to perform the login here with the same email ID. But let me give the password wrong and check what the application will respond. Invalid login credentials. Okay, fine. It's responding correctly. Let's provide the valid password. And it says here your ID is pending for registration. Registration is completed, but the authorization is pending. So we have another user here who is nothing but administrator, who will authorize the user accounts. Let's go to administrator here. I will log in with admin credentials. After that, login is successful. Now in the backend, we can see here how many pending users are there in the dashboard. Total number of users are there. How many detections have been done, that count we can see here, and how many total number of feedbacks given by the user. So this is the admin dashboard. Under manage users here, we are having the option pending users. And in pending users, we can see here, this user account is pending. Okay. And if in case we want to accept, okay, administrator want to authorize this account, we will click on this accept button. Let's click on this accept button to authorize the user account. Login. Okay. Login is successful. The message is wrong, but here the account activation is completed. Now, if I go to all users, I'll see here this detail, accepted. Okay, the account is accepted. Let's log out and come back to user and see what we can perform here. Let's try to log in now. Login successfully done. And in the dashboard here, we can see there is an option to enter the URL. Here, basically, we have to provide the YouTube URL. Dynamic YouTube URL we need to provide here. Okay. It's better if we provide a URL which contains some Urdu comments, Urdu language comments, or which contains the Roman Urdu comments, hate or normal comments. Okay, so for that I'm having a data set with me. Let's utilize that URLs from the data set. You can provide any URL here of YouTube, any URL, just copy paste. But it's hard to find out some Urdu comments. So I have created some data set. This is the data set wherein it has some Urdu comments and some Roman Urdu comments. Okay, let's try this. Anyone we can try. Let me copy this and paste in the URL text box. Now let's click on this search button. Now it will gather all the details about that, okay, URL and successfully detected. You can see first what we have got is nothing but we have got the thumbnail here. Okay, it is this, and under here below we can see comments are there. The commented person, okay, profile picture, its particular name and what he has commented. And in the comment we can see here some, okay, offensive language is there. Okay, so this we have marked as, we have labeled this as offensive. This is offensive. The rest is not. If by default we have mentioned here 3 comments, but in case if you want to read more, we can click on this read more button. We can see now many number of comments here. 2 comments are offensive. Okay, out of 6 comments, 2 comments are offensive here. Now if I click on this YouTube, okay, thumbnail play button, it will be
उर्दू कवर के
played here.
मुअज़्ज़िज़ दोस्तों, मैं हूं माजिद मलिक और आप तमाम देखने और सुनने वालों को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। नाज़रीन मोहतरम, क्या आपने
The video is played here directly. Let's try with some another URL. I'm telling you, you can provide any URL basically. Just find out some good Urdu comments URL on YouTube or Roman Urdu and provide in this text box. Detection is successful. If we scroll down below, we can see here. Okay. And comments, no comments are there here in this. Let's try with some another, okay, URL. Detection successful. 2 comments, read more. Only 2 comments are available now. Let's try this. Read more, 3 comments. So these videos doesn't contain any kind of offensive comment text. So in this way, we are trying to get the YouTube video here first of all, then comments, all the comments, then who commented, that profile picture, name, comment itself. After that, we are running our algorithm. That algorithm basically what it does is nothing but one by one comment it will analyze, and if it found some sort of offensive language, then it will mark that, okay, label that comment as offensive. And next we have got here profile is there. Okay, our profile. If you want, we can update anything from here. Next, feedback. How is this application to judge? I'm providing 4-star rating. Nice application for detecting Urdu offensive comments. Submit. Okay, review submitted successfully. Let's log out and check what are the details we have not checked in the administrator. So I will log in with administrator here by providing the admin credentials. And after admin login is successful here, we can see the dashboard. Let us go to manage detections, searches. How many searches have been done? This user Fazal has done some 4 searches, and what searches he has done, we can check here by clicking on this video link. Okay, it will open in the YouTube. Link is there here, and date and time of the searches. Next, we have got here pagination is there. By default, we will have some 5 records per page. We can go to next page as well. Next, under manage detections, we have got comments here. We can check here the comments. Okay. View comments, no comments are there. view comments, no comments, view comments, 2 comments are there. Okay, so we can check the comments as well here, whatever the video analysis user has done. Next, feedback. Let's see the user feedback here. This user has given a feedback, and its sentiment, it says, is negative here. Okay, let's go to sentiment graph. -2 and +3. Okay, -3 comments are there, and +3 comments are there, -2 comments are there. So this was the application which we have seen the execution. Hope you have got the project idea what we are doing in fact. And if you have got any doubts regarding the project execution or explanation, you can get back to me. My number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.